sweetheart. Merry Christmas.
Are you sure you need those in there?
Yeah, I really want to see it though.
You really needed those sunglasses, huh?
I really want to see it.
Do you want to see what happened out here while you were asleep?
Whoa. Whoa. Nice. This is nice. For dinosaur for me.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart. Looks like Santa came, huh?
There's a dinosaur.
Merry Christmas, Isabel.
There's one him down there. Rah!
You say thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
What's in your stocking?
Oh. Who is it? Boy. Hey, look. Santa got me, Daddy. Nice. Cool, Santa. I can do something on my cardboard to do it.
Yeah, you'll do lots of art projects on that. What else is in your stocking?
More toys, okay? Let's see. Ooh. That's my robot. I'm going to make it to. I'm going to make it put it together.
Audrey got visited by Santa too.
I get her toys.
Oh, you get your toys. It's okay.
Hey, look! She has her violet. That's her green one.
Oh, this is Scout. You remember Scout and Violet from their TV show?
I watched that movie so.
Hey, what else is in your stocking?
Oh, I'm still making my robot.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to make my robot. And my robot's going to be all so happy. Mama, you'll do the rest. My robot is a little green. I'm going to put my magic. That, ooh. Okay, he made a green fire truck. I really want it. And one there. Ooh. Tractor look like toy. Actually, a purple tractor. Purple tractor. I found it.